Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks for W-2 imports step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for QuickBooks and press enter. Locate the Sign In button on the QuickBooks homepage. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will now see the login page. Enter your QuickBooks username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your username and password, click on the Sign In button. Wait for the dashboard to load completely. Once the dashboard is visible, look for the Employees tab in the top menu. Hover over the Employees tab to reveal additional options. Select Payroll Center from the drop-down menu. In the Payroll Center, find the W-2s section. Click on the W-2s link to access the W-2 import feature. Follow the prompts to upload the W-2 files. Once the files are uploaded, review the imported data for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your W-2s. Finally, confirm the details and submit your W-2s as needed. You have successfully logged in and imported W-2 files into QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.